You know those spelling lists that kids choose from at the start of the week that you test on Friday? Can I let you into a secret? It doesn't actually create better spellers. In fact, for some kids, it creates anxiety. Now, we all want all our kids to succeed with spelling. And I mean all our kids. If you want to do that, you've got to show them how the writing system works. And if you want to show them how the writing system works, you're going to have to go beyond lists. You're going to have to open up the bonnet of the language and look inside. And if you want to do that, you're going to have to know how the writing system works yourself. Do you? Would you like to learn? Get smarter about spelling. Get spelling for life.